Another restoration of a photographic image, James, Ellen, and Willie White, from an ambrotype, photographed around 1856. Let's get a glance at that. As you can see, the state of the emulsion and the plate on which it was photographed, this is actually a fairly small image in the original. This is filling your screen, but you can see there was a scratch across the plate, and that damages some of James White's features and Ellen White's. You can also see how faint James White is, and Willie is not only faint, but he's blurred because he apparently moved his head when the picture was taken. He looks like he's looking up, perhaps, at the flash. Maybe that's what was going on. Anyway, we're going to start cleaning this up a little bit at a time. First, we used an image of Ellen White's face to clean that up a little bit more. And then we removed the scratch across it. Of course, it doesn't really fill in the details just yet. Then I made all the color one uniform tone so that it would be easier. Started working on her face a little bit more, and you can see adding in just a little bit. Then I added in color, which made it look a little better, but you can still see everything's speckled and messy. So then I got rid of a lot of the speckles, tried to use some AI to improve Willie's face, but now he looks a little bit oriental, and continue with enhancing it. And so that was the last thing that I did, which was to bring in some of Ellen White's features from another photograph so that her eyes and lips and nose look more like they normally do. And this new AI program added in this more of a 3D effect. With some feedback from those who saw this picture early on, I added back in some of the flaws in the coloring, the shading of the original version, and I discovered that I had eliminated this book that was in her hand. So this is the way it looks. Now, if we back up, that's the starting picture, all right? And that goes to that, right? So from that to that. Still, some things may be a little bit artificial. We don't know for sure how to reconstruct things that are not visible there, but there you go. Gives you more of an idea how this young family looked in the beginning.